Hey everyone, it's Karen from Mayfly Life. Today I'm going to be making bathroom cleaner. Now this variety is an all-natural. As you can see, I've got my measuring cup already with 1 cup of baking soda. And this is going to be more like it's very similar to a Vim type of cleaner, so it'll be multi-purpose. You can do your toilet bowl with it. You can do your vanity and your tub and so forth. But you can also do your kitchen sink, which is what I do. So here I've got in my measuring cup 1 cup of baking soda, and you're going to need also a liquid soap. You could use your own handmade liquid soap, which is what I'm going to be doing, or you can purchase the Dr. Bronner's liquid Castile soap. Make sure it's unscented, or if you don't want to add essential oils, you can have a scented soap. But I've opted for an unscented liquid soap, and I'm going to be adding my own fragrances to it. You'll also need, of course, your fragrance oil of choice. Best types to use are ones that are antibacterial: rosemary, eucalyptus, lemon, lavender, peppermint. It doesn't matter as long as it's something that's an antibacterial. You're also going to need a tablespoon of water. You're also going to need a tablespoon of peroxide. So I'll give you the quantities. You need a 1/4 cup. This is just a half batch, but you're going to need 1 cup of baking soda, 1/4 cup of liquid soap, 1 tablespoon, of water, 1 tablespoon of peroxide, and 5 drops of peppermint, which is what I'm using, peppermint essential oil, and 7 drops of lavender. So let's get mixing. So here I've got 1 cup. And next what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my liquid soap. Now the ratio, you're probably thinking, okay, this is not going to mix. Believe you me, it will. So I'm just going to add the liquid soap. I'm going to take my cup of my little cup here of 1 teaspoon of water, or tablespoon of water, and 1 tablespoon of peroxide, and dump it in. And I've got my peppermint essential oil, as you can see. It's going to be 5 drops of that. And my lavender essential oil. So 7 drops of the lavender. And I'm going to slowly mix it in. You need to slowly mix it in, and it'll come together. I mean, it's going to clump, of course, but just punch it down and mix it up and give it a good mix, and it'll come together in no time. Now, if you want a thinner paste, you can add a little bit more water, but do it in smaller quantities because you want it. You don't want to get it too thin, but if you want it thinner, I mean, that's fine. For me, I just don't want it thin. So I'm going to dig right into the bottom here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to give it a good, once it's mixed in together, what you want to do is just give it a good mix, and almost like a whisking motion with your spoon. You want to kind of whip it up so it's nice and creamy and light. Now, as you can see, after whipping it up for a few minutes, it's nice, it's creamy, it's thick, but it's like I said, if you want to add a little bit more water to thin it down, you can. You can also thin it down enough that you know, put it in a squeeze bottle so that you can squirt it from the squeeze bottle, or you can put it in a jar and leave it under your vanity counter or underneath your kitchen sink with all your other cleaning supplies. So yeah, give it a try. It's really cool. It smells nice. Peppermint and lavender. Oh, it smells good. And you can custom tailor it to whatever scent you want. I mean, you're not going to get these scents from the grocery store, I mean, or any department store, because you're stuck with, in most cases, up here in Canada, I mean, we're pretty limited to what the stores carry, and that's mainly lemon scented or bleach or unscented. And you know what? I like the idea of having my own custom scents. So now your bathroom's going to smell real good and not medicinal. So yeah, give it a go. Give it a try. See how you like it. Okay, everybody. I'm going to show you a little demonstration on how this works. I've got a little bit in my sink here. So what I'm going to do is just move it around. Give everything a nice little scrub. And see, it acts very similar to Vim. It's not exactly like it. It's a little thicker, but I'm giving my sink a nice little clean. And it works. It looks and smells. Oh man, it smells good. So yeah, I'm distracted here. Just give it a good cleaning, and you'll see how this works. The baking soda is like I've always used a lot of times. I've used baking soda. So let's give this a rinse and see how it looks. Oh, it smells awesome. There you have it. Nice and clean. So give it a go. I mean, you never know until you try something. And this is an all-natural, all-purpose, multi-purpose bathroom cleaner. So you can use it on your toilet and your tub. And your vanity. You can even use it, as I showed, in the kitchen sink, which is what I do with Vim anyway. So give it a go. See what you think. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.